So what's your value? I know that I don't come with a price tag. That every digit on that place value chart is worth something. Every digit that sits in any position has a value. Hi, and welcome to the language of the math with Ms. Batiste. Today, we are clarifying value, the value of a digit. It is important that we make clear distinctions between place value, and if you need to take a look at it, you need to go back to my last video, and value, which we're going to discuss today. The value of any digit is what it is worth when it sits in any place value position. So depending on the position that you put that digit in, it will determine its worth, its value. When considering the value of a digit, we cannot make the mistake of taking that digit at face value. Digits that are placed in different place value positions are going to be worth different amounts. The value of any digit is what it is worth when it sits in any place value position. So depending on the position that you put that digit in, it will determine its worth, its value. As a digit moves further left on the place value chart, the value of that digit increases 10 times each time. As it moves towards the millions place, the value, its worth, increases. It's like moving from seat 32B straight up to first class. And when a digit moves back down the place value chart, it goes to the right, then the value of that digit decreases 10 times each time. It's like getting a downgrade from first class and having to go sit way back down in seat 32B. Where the digit sits determines its worth. Now, if you wish to calculate the value of a digit in a number, we need a simple formula. Digit, and you know we only have 10 digits. Digit multiplied by the place value position equals value. Digit by place value equals value. Digit multiplied by place value gives you value. So let's take a look at some examples. We have this place value chart. We have this number, 5,555,555. And we can't take the digit 5 at face value. All of those digits, though they are 5, though they are the same, is not worth the same amount. Let's take a look at the value of the digit that sits in the ones position. We are going to apply the formula. The digit 5 multiplied by the place value position ones will give you 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. The value is 5. Let's skip a place value and go to the hundreds place. What is the value of the digit 5 as it sits in the hundreds place? Well, 5 times 100 is equal to 500. The digit 5 is multiplied by the place value position hundreds, which results in a value of 500. Let's jump 2 places up to tens of thousands. The digit 5 that sits in the 10,000s position, if multiplied by 10,000, results in 50,000. The value of the 5 that sits in the 10,000s place is 50,000. So let's continue straight up to first class. Let's look at the digit that is sitting in the millions position. Same digit, the digit 5, can be multiplied by the place value of millions. 5 times 1 million will result in 5 million. The value of the digit 5 that is sitting in the millions position is 5 million. So, as we close, let us look at the value of the digit 5 as it sits in each of those place value positions. 5 sitting in the ones place is worth 5. The 5 that sits in the tens place is worth 50. The 5 sitting in the hundreds place is worth 500. The 5 in the thousands place is worth 5,000. The 5 that sits in the tens of thousands position is worth 50,000. The 5 that sits in the 100,000 position is worth 500,000. And the 5 that sits in the millions place is worth 5 million. As we move to the left of the place value chart, the value of each digit increases 10 times. As we move back down to the right of the place value chart, each digit decreases in value 10 times. Remember, it's the power of our Base 10 system. Be blessed, stay blessed.